is up, early caffeine's our call. Ralph with tech news ready for all. Coding workouts getting us toned. By sunrise we'll be in the zone. Grab your Java, sip the brew. Headlines, tech tips just for you. Editing lines, making it tight. With every keystroke we see the light. Coffee and CAA, wake up the day. Stretch your mind in the geeky way. Mornings are better with our grind. Tech coach Ralph, you'll never lag behind. Push those reps in lines of code. Script the future fast and bold. From headlines deep to bites so bright, we're your guide to morning mics. Coffee and CAA, wake up the day. Stretch your mind in the geeky way. Mornings are better with our grind. Tech coach Ralph, you'll never lag behind. Coding flows, camaraderie grows. News unfolds and insight flows. Minute by minute, heartbeats pace. Come join us at the daily race. Coffee and CAA, wake up the day. Stretch your mind in the geeky way. Mornings are better with our grind. Tech coach Ralph, you'll never lag behind. Coffee and CAA, wake up the day. Stretch your mind in the geeky way. Mornings are better with our grind. Tech coach Ralph, you'll never lag behind. Mornings are better with our grind. Tech coach Ralph, you'll never lag behind. Mornings are better with our grind. Coffee and CAA, wake up the day. Stretch your mind in the geeky way. Mornings are better with our grind.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How is everyone doing today? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? We are in February. Yes, we are. We have made it past January. I mean, the year's pretty much over. We've made it past January. It went blazing fast. That means the year is over. We can move on with our lives. Are you guys ready for 2026? Are you
ready?
Are you ready for 2026 already? I mean, we might as well start getting ready, right? Anyways, I'm Tech Coach Ralph. We are engineered to win. Hopefully you guys had an amazing weekend. I had a very busy weekend, but it was absolutely amazing, absolutely stunning. Happy to be here with you guys. It is the start of the work week for your day job, but if you work hard on yourself, you are never off. There are no days off. We are about to go out there and get it.
Let's get it.
So, the plan for today is we are going to kind of continue working on our content creation generation. But I wanted to, because you guys heard about DeepSeek coming out, like it made headwaves last week. And I wanted to see, can we integrate our content creation assistant tool into DeepSeek, or at least explore it, see what kind of results we get. However, my guy, Don, great friend of mine, Don, hit me up yesterday. He's like, if you're going to use DeepSeek, do not, I repeat, do not do their online service, download the large language model with Olama and do it that way. And I was like, 10-4. He's like, they're going to steal your data. I was like, 10-4, you got it done. If you're saying that, you got it. So I went ahead and I downloaded the local large language model for DeepSeek last night. and we're going to use that. It was about almost 5 gigs, so that's why I'm just gonna do it last. I'm just gonna do it off stream, so I don't have to go back and forth with the internet connection and stuff like that. You guys know how it goes. You guys know how it goes, right? So that is the plan for today. Let me just make sure that our internet service is boosted. Let me make sure. Let me take a look at that. Make sure we're good to go. Because I do not like when I start seeing the stream is having issues because of my internet connection. So we are going to make that a priority. I should also make this laptop a priority on my app. Anyways, we're good to go. Okay, so let's do this. Quick announcements. We are going to have candid conversations today at noon Eastern time. I want to talk about why so many people continue to run. Yes, to run from success. You don't have to. You need to build the right mindset, the right toolkit in order to embrace success, and you go out there and get it. All right. You got, guess what? You know that we are the best.
We the best.
So you can make it happen, but you have to embrace it. Don't be afraid of the success. All right. What else? Tomorrow night we're going to be going live with Tech Q&A. Abandoned album is dropping next Friday, Valentine's Day, February 14th at midnight. I have some things planned around it, so definitely want to click on the link in the description and in the chat when it pops up to pre-save that to your Spotify. It's already available for pre-order on iTunes and probably Amazon Music, all of that good stuff. So looking forward to that album. I can't wait. All right. So so with that being said, let me check the chat and then we're going to get started. All right. So I didn't even put my timer. Let me put my timer because I gotta get out of here by 9 o'clock. All right. So 45 minutes is up. Let me see who we got. We got the one, the only, the Rock, the Scrubs, Roxy. Why is this so high up? Rock. I hate when this does that. Hold on. Let's go like that. And let's go like that. Sometimes it gets a little weird on me, so let's go like that. There we go. We got Rock, the Scrubs, Roxy in the building. What's up, Roxy? My favorite nurse. Hopefully you had an amazing weekend, and hopefully you're going to have an amazing Monday, the start of the week. Shout out to the one, the only Rock, the Scrubs, Roxy. Let's see here. We also have Big Suggs in the building. What's up, Big Suggs? Long time no talk. Hopefully you're doing well. Says good morning, coach. Just passing by. I appreciate that, Big Suggs. So happy to see you. Hopefully everything is well with you.
I appreciate you.
Alrighty then. So, let me see. I have this over here on Twitch. Let me see if this is real. It says, great streamer. Your content is awesome and your gameplay is satisfying to watch. I really love your skills. I would love to engage with your community and support you as I can. Kindly add on. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Anyways, we'll leave that as is. All right. So, we got Big Suggs says, you know it. Bag chasers always on the move. Let's get it, Big Suggs. Let's get it. All right. So, let's start the show like this, right? Because yesterday on our DevOps stream, I showed the DevOps roadmap, and then I saw that they had an AI engineering roadmap. I think it's a good practice for us to actually look at these different roadmaps so that we can have a good idea of what we're just getting ourselves into, and that way we know what path we're going down and stuff like that. So let's start off with this. We're gonna start off today's show with doing a quick look at the roadmap.sh for AI engineer, okay? And then we can jump into our Jupyter notebooks and then we can talk about how we're going to work on DeepSeek and try to integrate it. But yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. All right, let's go to over here. Oh, look at that. I love that transition. All right, so we're on roadmap.sh and we're gonna go and check out AI engineer. That's a new one that they added. And let's see. Let's go like that. All right, so what do they have under AI engineer? So they start off prerequisites, either front end, back end, or full stack. like I tell you guys, right? Entry level is not created equally because a prerequisite for an AI engineer would be, according to roadmap.sh, let's say AI, what is AI engineer? AI engineer is an AI engineer uses pre-trained models and existing AI tools to improve user experience. They focus on applying AI in practical ways without building models from scratch. This is different from AI researchers and machine learning engineers who focus on creating new models or developing AI theory. The advantages of and disadvantages of AI are a consideration that AI engineers must understand to effectively implement solutions, right? So, the prerequisites: front end, back end, or full stack. AI engineers, so it says introduction. What is AI engineer? AI engineer versus machine learning. And then we go to the roles and responsibilities, impact on product development. And then so now you go down from after the introduction, pre-trained models. You can go to open AI models, limitation considerations, yada yada yada. Some stuff that we've spoken about. They're taking you down OpenAI's path, and then diving deep into those things. Open source AI, so like Hugging Face, Olama, all of those models. Then what are embeddings, which it's like so many different things to learn. Where here you're just like, let's take this as like, if we go up here to introduction and pre-trained models, that's like we're in kindergarten, right? What is going on with this thing? That's like we're in kindergarten, and it's like we're in kindergarten, and then as we move here, we're going through first grade, second grade, all of that good stuff. And we continue to AI safety, open source, RAG implementation. I forgot what RAG stood for. But vector databases, OpenAI Assistant API, AI agents, multimodal AI, like so many different things, development tools, and it goes on and on and on. All right. So so many different pathways, so much different things to learn, and we're just tapping the surface level right now. Okay, so it is what it is. It is what it is. But I just wanted to show you, and I'm going to drop this link in the chat for AI engineering. In case that you have an interest in that, it's gonna be a growing field. All right, it's gonna be a growing field. Related roadmaps, AI and data, and the AI and data science roadmap, prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is kind of like what we're working on right now. Data analysis roadmap, all of that good stuff. Let's see prompt engineering. We'll check out prompt engineering on Wednesday morning. All right. Wednesday morning, we're going to check out prompt engineering. Let me drop this link in the chat for you guys in case you're interested in checking that out. All right. So, with that being said, I'm gonna check the chat. We're gonna get to work. Okay. Let me see what we have in the chat. Let's see. Let's see. Thank you, Roxy. I just noticed that. Thank you for that. I just noticed that. Oh my goodness, like this thing is all acting up today. Let me fix that one. I don't know what's going on with this. Oh, let's see what's going on. Things are acting up today. Things are acting up. See, you get a new intro and things don't know how to act right. Let's do that. All right, there we go. tell you, I tell you. Let's see. And it says, yeah, yep, I got it. Thank you so much, Nigel. Thank you so much, Nigel. Says, when is his next Greek? What's a Greek? Let me see. Oh, break. Next break. We don't really do breaks in the mornings. We don't really do breaks in the mornings. Let's see. Let's see. Says he has a timer up for 39 minutes, and I'm sure it's gonna be before that. Yeah, on the mornings we kind of flow in and out between the chat and the work because it's only like 45 minutes that we're working for. But yeah, thank you guys so much for that. I looked down and I saw something happening. I'm like, why is this like this? I didn't do it, but we'll figure it out. We will figure it out. All right, so we're gonna jump into actually working on this. So we are here. Let me see if I can zoom in on this. All right, so we're here, and the goal that I have is to integrate to integrate DeepSeek, our local large language model of DeepSeek, into our content creation assistant. That's what I'm calling it for now until I come up with a cool name. So that's gonna be the plan. All right, we're gonna go over to. Let's go up to. You guys see how much I've been using this? I've been using this like crazy all weekend. Can I? Is there a way to view collapse everything? Collapse all code or collapse all output. All right, there you go. Everything is collapsed. I'm telling you, I use the stuff that I build. All right, I use the stuff that I build. Let me say to luckily, all the echo happened on the prompt engineering stuff or the AI engineer and not on the actual work that we're doing here. So that's going to save me a little bit of a headache. Let me go to view and let's say expand all code. That's what I want. All right, cool. So if we go to, all right, so we're here. We have our OpenAI set up. So now if I come into, here, that's a great question. That is a great question, Nightjade. Nightjade asked, where did I get the local for DeepSeek? Do I have it up here? Let me see. Where do I, let me see if I have it open somewhere. It was deep. Let me search for it quick. DeepSeek model download, and I think I just went to. Hugging Face, or not. Where did I get it from? Let me see. Is it this one? It was. Oh, I know where I got it from. I know where I got it from. It was Olama. I got it from Olama, and then I went to this DeepSeek R1. And then I just copied this, and I can show you what I did, right? I copied this, make sure you can see it. Yep. So let me zoom in on that a little bit because I know that it might look a little weird. So I copied this right here, Olama run DeepSeek R1, and then I went to a terminal window over here. And I did just, I'll paste it, Olama run DeepSeek -R1. And then it went ahead and it downloaded the local model of DeepSeek and it set it up. So if I was to do this, and then it's because it's already downloaded, it just says, all right, can you send a message? And I'll say, what message would I send? How many planets are in the solar? See, it's doing. Oh my god, this thing's caught the echo. So annoying. I don't know why it's doing it on its own. I don't know why. In the solar system. Happy I checked. That's the thing with software. You got to monitor it carefully. All right, so as of now, there are 8 confirmed planets in our solar system because they kicked out Pluto. That's so sorry for you, Pluto. And we got that. All right, so this is using DeepSeek, right? But we want to tape DeepSeek. We want to take DeepSeek and integrate it into our content creation assistant, right? Am I echoing on? All right, I'm not echoing on full screen. All right, so I was echoing on shared screens, but not on full screen. All right, we got that. Awesome, perfect. So annoying. Let me make sure. All right, I think we're good. And we, oh my goodness, not say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. We got my guy Joseph in the building. He says, keep doing your thing, bro. Shout out to my guy Joseph. I was just over on Talk That Tech channel this morning as they were talking about AI and layoffs. Great channel. You guys go check out Talk That Tech. I am there all right, all right, let me tell you the truth. I'm gonna tell you the truth, all right? The reason I do not start my show on Mondays at 7:15 is because I am watching Talk That Tech with Joseph and Trey on Monday mornings, and it is such an amazing show. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna start maybe 7:45. And today I was like, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's do 8 a.m. Let's do 8 a.m. Shout out to my guys over there. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Let's get back to it. All right, we're going over to here. Over here. All right, so what I want to do, so that's where I got the DeepSeek from, and we're gonna go over here. So what I want to do, let me see, where do I want to put it? I want to say, um, so we have OS request. All right, so I'm gonna come up in here and I say, all right, I'm gonna say in my workflow, how do I want to integrate DeepSeek as a model option. All right. So if I want to do that, I want to say, let's implement the ability to choose which model to use between Open AI, Olama, DeepSeek, and more, right? So we're gonna have if you are learning Python and you absolutely adore if statements, you're gonna like this part, all right? Because I have some friends, they love if statements. Why? I don't know. But hey, it is what it is. It is what it is, all right? So what I want to do, I want to go to, all right, so we're also going to say import, or is it from Olama, import chat. Let me see. Is that going to work? Okay. We got that. And I want to say, so here we're setting up our OpenAI keys, right? We're good over here. And I want to say which open. All right. So this will use for, it should be 8. All right. So this will be used for, see, we already considered this when we were building it, right? This will be for large language models, AI. This should be easy to switch between different LLMs. Or you can pick one. We'll use OpenAI to get started. If we were to say, because here we're passing in our model, this generate video title. So we could, so let's do it. How do I do this? Let's do this. Let's do this. For now, I'm going to, can I duplicate this cell? Create new view for cell output, copy cell, and edit, paste cell below. All right. So we have 2 of these cells. All right. See, and this is why it's important to, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take this out and I'm going to say, I'm going to turn this right here into a function so that we can easily switch between like we don't have to, because look at this, we have duplicate code here, here, and here. That is a big no we don't do that here, right? We don't do that. So I am going to say insert edit. I can do it right. Where's my insert? Feeling a little blind here. Where's my create add a new cell? Oh, there you go. Let's do that. Actually want it up here. All right. So we will do, let's do this. We so function to pass in open AI request, right? So define request to open AI, and we're going to say, we're going to say, let's take that, and we're going to say return that. This has to be above it. So if we do request to OpenAI, just like that, right? So instead of, yeah, I think for now we can leave it as that. And we're going to say here is also going to get here. Let's do this one, this one. We're going to say this one. And lastly, this one. All right. So if I was to run this one again, we have an issue. Request to open AI gives us an error of message not defined. Message not defined? Why not? Maybe because, where do I have message? Okay, I see what I did wrong. So we're going to pass in here. Oh, no. Oh, okay, we're going to pass in here message. And boom, boom, boom. Oh, wait, not yet. So pass in message, because the message is going to be changing, and pass in message. Right, so let's do boom, boom, boom. And now if we do this one, we should get results. This makes it easier for us to actually be able to implement the DeepSeek in there. Let's see. All right, boom, there we go, right? So now we have our description. So this is still working. We refactored a little bit to turn this into a method, right? And now this is being passed in. However, how do we get DeepSeek in there? So I want to say, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna go back over here, and I'm going to use, let's go with, this code right here. So this is going to be like setting up the model for our, we're going to be setting up a model for DeepSeek, right? So we're going to go into, let's drop it like right about, I'm going to drop it right here, right? Let's drop it right here. So let's say we do this, and here I'm going to say, let's go with DeepSeek model, right? And I say equals, or let's do DeepSeek model. And I'm going to say, pass in the name of the model. Oh, let me see what's the name of the model. We would get it from here. And let's try just putting DeepSeek R1, right? DeepSeek R1. I think that should be it. Like that. And let me see. Let me check the chat real quick. We got my guy, Operation Tech Takeover, in the building. Says, sorry, I'm late. Had to get some things straight here at work. First, shout out to my guy, OTTO. Hopefully you're doing well. Let me see what else we got. And OTTO says, to heck with if statements and loops.
Bruh.
OTTO is not a fan of if statements and loops, apparently. Well, not everybody's forte. All right. All right. So look at this. Look at this system prompt. I don't know if the system prompt is going to work in DeepSeek, but it is what it is. So now we have our request to OpenAI. I want to say, so we have our DeepSeek model, and I want to say, all right, so I'm going to add another cell down here, and I will say define request to DeepSeek, right? And we're going to pass in our message. And I'm going to move this one also under this if I can. That way, for the system, I can also pass in system, just like we did with OpenAI. System prompt. And for the content, we're also going to be passing in the message. Right? Is that right? That's not right. I think I need to move this model into here actually. So let's do, because I need to be able to pass in the message, so that's not going to work here. But if I move this here and I say DeepSeek, all right, we got that. And then we say, we got that DeepSeek model. And I go and steal this code over here for Olama. We go to here and we say, oh, I was doing that. We go here. I am just going to, instead of doing it this way, I'm just going to go and do it like this. Model equals R1. Let me think. I should put a comma in here. Oh, okay. Let's try it like this. Let's try it like this, right? We have message equal. Why is there a message? Let me see what I got going on over here. And then we return. Let's steal from over here a little bit more. Let's say just call it response for now. And we say return response dot message dot content. Let's try that. Is that what we did? Not exactly. We could say, all right, so we have that. For now, we'll make some modifications to this, but we'll try this on one thing for now, right? So let's say we do return for now. This right here, let's see if we do enter invalid syntax. All right, let's do some changes. Oh, I see what's going on. All right, I see what's going on. So Let me do this. Trying to work through this. Trying to work through this. Model DeepSeek. Okay, so we're doing this, right? Oops. So model DeepSeek. And then we are doing messages. Okay, I see. All right, I see what I did wrong. So this, we don't need this part. Got it. All right, so we did that. Enter. So we have request to DeepSeek. So if I was to, we're just gonna do. Oh, I don't want to change this, but I'll change it for now. Then I'll change it back. Right? Let's just do this and this. I would change everything back. Well, let's see if this one works. Right? So we have this one. And then we have that one. So we're kind of mixing DeepSeek and OpenAI for a second. I'll leave the oh, we can just change them all. Why don't we? It's not gonna hurt us none to do that. Let's do that. So we have everything now. Should be going through DeepSeek. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. And I am going to make a copy of this one. And I'm going to paste it here. So that way we can keep this one and we can. Where's the one I copied? Copy, so. Paste below, so. Okay, there we go. We got it. So I am going to try running this one. And we have an error. Let me check the chat real quick. Is it my best friend? My best friend is in the building. Good morning, Mitch. How are you doing this morning? And oh my goodness, is it really? We have the one, the only K Cooper in the building. What's up, K Cooper? How are you? K Cooper, how is your son doing? I remember last time you mentioned that he was, I think he graduated and he had learned Python and stuff like that. How is he doing? Hopefully everything is doing well. Olama is not defined. Olama is not defined. We didn't define Olama. Let me see. We did not define Olama. Let me see. Why did we not define Olama? Let's go up to here. Olama, pull llama. Interesting. Pull llama 3.2. So it's just import. Okay, it's just import Olama. It's not import chat. Let me do that. Let me do that. I did import chat. So probably if I just use chat, that would work, but we'll just do import Olama. I don't know if I need to pull that. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. Let me do as well. Let me do let's go here. I am going to say the same pull command that we did for here. We are going to do it in here. The exclamation point is going to allow us to do that. Oh, wait, not that. Pull. that should get us what we need. All right, cool, perfect. So now if we go back down to where we were doing this one. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. And this should come from DeepSeek. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how that goes. Oh my goodness. This is VIP day. This is VIP day. I got my guy Tech Bag Trey in the building as well. Good morning, Tech Bag Trey. Great guy, great guy. And I was I was telling him about working on this the other day. How this is gonna help us a lot. This is going to help us a lot, like for us content creators, where we can quickly get information out here and there. But where is my results? Where are my results? Let's try that again. Run, sell. I'm not getting any results yet. Let's do this. I am going to do a insert here, and I'm going to say, because I don't see any results coming through yet, and something should pop up at least. See, nothing's happening. All right, let's do this. Let's just do a generate video title. And let me see if I can get something out of that. Let's say I need a title going over the what web cyber or ethical hacking tool. Or I don't even have to say that. Going over the what web ethical hacking tool. Let's see if I can get something. Let me print. Let me see. What are we do? Oh, you know what it might be? I am not. Let me see. Well, no, it should give me something. It's not doing anything. All right, let's print out some stuff. Let's print out some stuff. What about if we say, in order to investigate why it's not working, we're gonna say print response. All right. That way we can see what we're getting. Because we know the DeepSeek is working because it showed us send us a message. Model DeepSeek R1 messages system message. Let's see. Not getting anything back though. Message video title user prompt and what video is about. Response request DeepSeek. Let's go into our request DeepSeek. Olama chat. All right, let me check over here. So looking at the one that we use Olama for, we have our model, we have our message. Messages. Oh, I might have missed something. Let me see. Let me see. If we go here, messages, message. No, that should be right. We have our messages. We're passing in our message into here. Right? We're passing that in. Why am I not getting a response? Because if I go over here, let's say we were, let me do this as well. Let me print message. That way I can see what's being prompted. Let's see it like, so now we're just troubleshooting to see why this thing isn't going through. And so it should print out the message. Let's see if that's happening at least, right? Oh wait, no. So we should, all right, let's do this. Let's put it here actually, and go here. And I go to my, there. And oh, it tried to do something. It tried to do something. Let me try that again. I wish I could see what's going on in the background. I don't have a logging thing on here, I don't think. Let's see. We're definitely going to pick this up on Wednesday because I'm not seeing stuff being generated. Let's see. Generate video title, message user prompt, request to DeepSeek. Because here, when I say request to DeepSeek, it should be printing out the message that's being passed into it. DeepSeek. What if I change? All right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna change this to Llama 3.2. See how we can easily change the model. So if we say here, and now let's say we go here. Something must be wrong with my code because it's not even printing the message here. Which it should, because I'm just passing it in. Let's see. Video title. Let me make sure. Let me just do this right. Let's do this. Print message here. Just troubleshooting a little bit to find out where is my response from Olama. Nothing's happening. Hold on. Let me refresh my page because I'm not sure what's going on here. All right, so we're pulling in DeepSeek. Run. It's not doing anything actually. Let's see. Nightjade is so funny. I don't know. Try to actually let me take a look at we have Llama 3.2 messages. Have our content, web page summary, olama.chat, passing the model. Web page summary, message content. Oh, wait a second. Maybe I have. But then I should have got an error though. I should have got an error if that's the case. There's no choices. All right, keep that like that. Let's just focus on the title. There should be no choices in it, from my understanding. But then if that's the case, why am I not getting anything printed out? I'm gonna have to mess with this because I think something's wrong with my Olama code. response message. Response equals request to DeepSeek message, print response, but nothing is printing up. Let me see. I wish I could see a logging of what's happening because at least in Python, but I'm not. The thing is, I'm not getting any errors. That's what's weird to me. I'm not getting any errors out here. Let me just try this. Let's just try something. Let me just try something very, very different. I'm just gonna go here, and I'm just gonna say, give me a second, just make sure. All right. If I was to say, just print this, right? All right, I think something's actually happening with my Jupyter notebooks then, because I'm not getting anything being printed out. Because this should just at least print in Python. Okay, so where's all my code? Let's see. Now I'm a little confused because I don't see anything. At least the print statement should give me something. All right, what if I change it back to my?
Yo, the sign is real simple, B. It says wrap it up.
I'm gonna change it back to my open AI stuff to see what's going on. But we still have our DeepSeek here available to us. So let me try to change it because this is like as soon as we change it to DeepSeek, like everything stopped working. But even the Jupyter notebooks is acting really weird for me. So let's go here, here, and last one here, right? So let's do enter, enter, enter. And if I say, why is nothing processing? Hold on, run selected cell. I am so confused right now. Let's do a restart kernel. Restart. Because this thing just stopped working on me. And I am going to say from run everything above this. Run all above. And if I go here, okay, there. So that was so weird. So, something was going on with this kernel. What I'm going to do is, try to go back to DeepSeek real quick. We will say request to DeepSeek. Just copy that. Request to DeepSeek. Request to DeepSeek. Request to DeepSeek. And we will go with that out. That one should have been choices. Let's take that out. And let's take that out. Right, so let's do this one, and this one. And if we do this one, do we get anything? Cool. There. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So, oh, but it has llama. Let's change that back to DeepSeek. Right. Let me change that back to DeepSeek. So it works with llama now, but we don't want to use llama. We want to use DeepSeek. So let's try that. DeepSeek. And for good measure, let's do this again, that again, and that again. And if we do this, let's see if we get anything back from DeepSeek. Unless DeepSeek is the problem. I don't know. All right, cool. So I printed out the title, printed this out, but I don't have it didn't give me the response. Okay, well, anyhow, we'll figure that out on Wednesday, but we're getting stuff generated again. I'm not getting a response back from DeepSeek yet, but which is okay because we're getting there. There. Wait. It took some time. It took some time, but we did get something. Look at that. Oh, look at that. All right. So the user. Way too much information. What? All right. So when I was using DeepSeek yesterday, right, it did kind of annoy me that it gave a whole bunch of fluff first, right? Like just give me what I asked for. Um, this is so this is annoying. This is annoying. It's what in the world is this? Like, all right. So maybe there's a way to reduce it, but it did all that work just to give me this. All right. Okay. Let's all right. Let's do this one. Let's try to get the all right. That's a bit much. Like just for a title that I asked for, it gave me like everything that it went through. So maybe there's a way to work with that in order to like not do that. But let me copy that and we'll go here. And I will copy. This is way too much information. Jeez. My goodness. That is crazy. I will copy this and I will put it in here. Let's give it like 3 more minutes and see what we can come up with if I pass in the whole thing, is it going to give me everything that we're talking about? Like, cause that was just that was crazy. All right. Uh and I can hear my computer going crazy right now using this deep. So that's the issue with using the local language model because my computer is going crazy right now. Let me see if we can handle it because I might just stop it if that's the case. Yeah, it might be too much for it, but let's see what we can get before we head out of here. Let's see what we can get. Yep, I knew that. All right, let me. This is. Let me stop it. What can I do? do? Can you guys hear me? Should be good on my end. Although YouTube is telling me it's not receiving enough data. Can you hear me, Nightjade? Let me know. I stopped it because I think it was using too much resources. I might just bite the bullet and have it go use their online model because it's gonna take way too much resources to run it locally and stream it. So we shall. All right. It looks like we're good. Looks like we're good. But yeah, it's gonna take too much resources to stream it and to use it locally because these that's why they build data centers, right? To run these LLMs because it is not meant to run on a MacBook Pro, even if it's a really powerful MacBook Pro, right? So, but so I'm probably gonna. So what we'll do on Wednesday, we're going to switch to the online model for DeepSeek and try it that way so that we can actually get fast results because my computer is not going to be able to handle it, all right? But we know that it works. We saw this crazy, crazy description that it gave us. That was that was crazy. But we're gonna try it out. We're gonna keep working on it on Wednesday, implementing it into our content creation assistant. As of what I can see right now, I don't like it. I'm gonna switch this back to Open AI so I can continue using it throughout the week, and then we're gonna make it work, and then we're gonna make it better. All of that good stuff. All right. I'm gonna go back to full screen. All right, back to full screen. We're gonna wrap it up for today. I want it to be done by 9, but you guys know how it goes. You know how it goes. We are here. We're in it to win it. Let me check the chat before we wrap up. Yeah. Let me see. Let me check. Let me see. I asked Kay Cooper how her son was doing, and Kay Cooper says that he is doing great. And that he is in the Air Force Station in Italy. Wow, that's awesome. He's still doing coding on the side, and he day trades, but his job in the command post, but will have a top secret clearance. That is awesome. Congrats to your son. That is absolutely amazing. That is amazing. Says you said DeepSeek and the nerds come running. You're so funny. Let me see. Says contract work is about to get a boom in business. That is a fact. That is a fact. It says I was just talking about this with a coworker. She saw the same thing. It's teaching you how it solved the answer. I uh, I see that like when you're running it's like it's printing out the think query, but there's got to be a way to turn that off because I like I don't want in every circumstance to tell me like how everything that you did. I just want the answer sometimes, you know. But I see what you're saying. But yeah, that can be kind of annoying. Says there may be a less verbose flag. Yep, that's what I'm thinking. I have to look into that. I didn't investigate the model that much yet, so maybe I'll do some of that as well. Maybe I'll do a video on DeepSeek. And Roxy says, I admire all those in IT for great troubleshooting skills and patience. Oh, patience, yes. That there is a lot of patience in IT because you try over and over and over again. It says it's like China Talk versus TikTok. China Talk is focused on giving you good stuff. what is what is TikTok focused on giving you, Nightshade? Let me see. We had the lag, but we're back. We're back in business. Let's see. This is what practice is for. 100%. And there we have it. There we have it. We're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Kay Cooper, always a pleasure to see you. Night Jade, thank you so much. Always appreciate you with sharing your insight. Roxy, thank you so much. Really, really appreciate all your work. And thank you for your service as well as a nurse. That is absolutely amazing. To my best friend, Mitch, as always.
We just become best friends. Yep.
Thank you, Mitch. Trey, Joseph, OTCO, Big Sucks, everybody that tuned in, really, really appreciate you guys. But we're going to wrap it up for today, and we will be back. Candid Conversations at noon. We're going to be live tomorrow night at 7:30 for Tech Q&A, and then we're going to be back here in the morning continuing to work on the DeepSeek. I tried to do the local thing, but it's not working for me. Like if it's gonna cause lag, it's probably what caused us lag last time. So we're just gonna go online. You know, we just gotta be careful. All right. But with that being said, we are out. You guys have an amazing, amazing Monday and an amazing, amazing week. I will see you guys throughout the week. Techo Trough, we are out.
Sun's up, early caffeine's our call. Ralph with tech news ready for all. Coding workouts getting us toned. By sunrise we'll be in the zone. Grab your Java, sip the brew. Headlines, tech tips just for you. Editing lines, making it tight. With every keystroke we see the light. Coffee and CAA, wake up the day. Stretch your mind in the geeky way. Mornings are better with our grind. Tech coach Ralph, you'll never lag behind. Push those reps in lines of code. Script the future fast and bold. From headlines deep to bites so bright, we're your guide to morning mites. Coffee and CAA, wake up the day. Stretch your mind in the geeky way. Mornings are better with our grind. Tech coach Ralph, you'll never lag behind. Coding flows, camaraderie grows. News unfolds and insight flows. Minute by minute, heartbeats pace. Come join us at the daily race. CAA, wake up the day. Stretch your mind in the geeky way. Mornings are better with our grind. Tech coach Ralph, you'll never lag behind. Coffee and CAA, wake up the day. Stretch your mind in the geeky way. Mornings are better with our grind. Tech Coach Ralph, you'll never lag behind. Mornings are better with our grind. Tech Coach Ralph, you'll never lag behind. Mornings are better with our grind.